The first example that we brought with is a aluminum profile producer. It's one factory within a huge conglomerate of more than 106 factories worldwide. You see the numbers, roughly 33,000 orders per year, 19 million pieces, a net value of 120 million euros. Those were the starting points. And the initial situation was basically that there was a lot of friction in the process, a lot of communication going on between the sales departments and the planning and control department and production regarding delivery times and on-time deliveries, etc. And the management basically gave us the order, the contract to say, well, please analyze this process and help us improve this process. And as I said, a lot of frictions in the process, high production planning efforts. We found out low automation rates and a high number of changes for the production orders. This you have to keep in mind. It's a make-to-order process. So each order is really for one specific customer. So a high volume and a high variation in orders. So therefore, with this approach, we just not could use the just traditional out-of-the-box order-to-cash process that Celonis offers. We took this process, but we enriched it. We also included not only the sales activities, but also we included production steps in this overall, so that we really had from the order intake until the invoicing. We also had the production steps included, and we have here a two-step production process, 3 big extrusion machines, and then the fabrication afterwards. And we also included the logistic activities and shipping. So it was not just order-to-cash traditional process, but a make-to-order with the production steps, which is very powerful. When we switch to the next slide, please. You can see here with this analysis, we were able to, first of all, really identify the process deviation in terms of on-time delivery, subcontractor process, overproduct, and waste activities. But not only that, because we included also production, we could help especially in the fabrication portion, to help segment the production. Before, the expert said, well, there is no segmentation possible. Each order is different, and with this tremendous amount of orders, production orders, we cannot segment. No, with Celonis, we were able to show that very well. There is only more than 60% were just a one-step process. So like sawing, for example, and we, by the numbers, we could build up lines with fast runners and slow runners, and so improve also the throughput times. And then, of course, the automation rates we could identify and had more than 750K savings identified. So in the first round, we identified more than 1.5 million in savings for this company with roughly 600 people.